Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. In today's video, I will be doing another makeup tutorial for you guys, and it is featuring the Norvina palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I am obsessed and in love with this palette, guys, and I am so happy with the look that I created today. I've created some really amazing looks with the colors in this palette. And today I went for more of like a purple and pink toned look. But before we get into the makeup tutorial, if you aren't already, please make sure to follow me on all of my social media. I have it all listed right here for you guys, so you can check me out on my Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. I am always posting over there. But without further ado, guys, let us jump right into this makeup tutorial. So first things first, I want to prime my eyelids. So I'm going to be going into my Tarte Shape Tape. And this is in the color Fair Beige. Now I'm going to be using that to prep my eyelids and get them ready for eyeshadow. So I'm just going to put a dab on each eyelid, and then I'm just going to rub that in with my fingers like this, bringing it all the way up to the eyebrows. Just like that. I quickly want to set the concealer that I just applied, so I'm going to be using my NYX HD Studio Photogenic Finishing Powder. So this is a loose powder that I use to do my setting, and I'm just going to use my BH Cosmetics Studio Pro number 14 brush. So I'm going to go straight into the eyeshadow, and I'm really excited to be dipping into my Anastasia Beverly Hills and Norvina eyeshadow palette. This palette is beautiful. I've used it a few times already and I love it. So for today's look, I want to go for more of a feminine, light colored look. So I'm going to be using some of the pinks and the purple there, and I'm really excited to see how this look turns out. So let's go ahead and begin. The first thing I want to do is get a clean blending brush. I'm going to use this one here. This is from Still Spot Essentials, and this is their number 6 brush. It's kind of worn off, but that's okay. I'm going to start with this color here called Love, and I'm going to be using this in my crease as my transition color. So let's go ahead and do that. Now, with the matte shadows in this palette, there is a lot of fallout and kickback on these shadows. So you just got to be very careful. That's why I decided to do my eyes first today as opposed to my base. And I'm just going to slowly build this up by adding color bit by bit. And I'm going to bring it up quite far, I think. I don't exactly know what I'm going to be doing today with my makeup. We'll see how it turns out. But I'm pretty excited to be using this palette in this tutorial for you guys today. Now that I have the pink Love color in my crease, I'm going to add some drama to this makeup look and go in with this color right here, which is called Drama. It is a dark shimmery purple plum color, and I'm going to apply that to my outer corners of my eyes using this brush here. This is a Sigma small tapered blending brush. This is their E45 brush. So I'm just going to pick some of this up just on the tip of my brush and lightly, again, bit by bit, adding up into the outer corner here just to deepen up the outer V of my eye. And as expected, there's going to be some fallout here, but I'm just going to apply this and then keep blending into the crease. And I'm going to move back and forth between the Sigma brush and this one that we use to apply the pink color. Alright, so now that that eyeshadow is applied, I'm next going to pick up this purple color right here, and that is called Celestial. It is a really pretty purple shimmer color. I'm going to pick that up on this flat shader brush here. This is the Sigma E55 eye shading brush, and just picking it up directly on one of the flat sides of the brush. And then I'm just going to place that right in the center of my eyelid. Up to the crease, and I'm going to blend it out with the darker outer corner Drama that we applied on the outer V of my eyes. I'm just going to go back in and pick up some more of this dark drama color with the tapered blending brush that we used earlier to apply that same color, just picking up a tiny bit and just going to blend that in with Celestial here, really working at blending it really nicely. Alright, and then lastly I'm going to pick up this shimmery pink color here called Wild Child. On this brush here, this is an inner corner brush from Sigma, they're E46. Look at all of this fallout underneath, but that's okay. Picking it up on this tiny inner corner brush, tapping it off, and this is going to go on the inner third of my eye right here and blend in with that purple color. And then just picking up a little bit more of the Celestial color and making sure it's all blended nicely. So I'm quickly going to go and run and grab a makeup wipe, clean up underneath my eyes, and I'm going to start some of my base makeup and then I will be right back. I am back and I have most of my base completed, so I want to continue on with the eye makeup by completing the shadow underneath my lower lash line. So I think what I'm going to do first, what do I want to do? I'm gonna try and mimic what I did on my upper lid below my eye. So I'm going to start on the outer corner and use this dark color here called Drama. That one first on the brush we used earlier with the same color. And just start that on the outer corner. Just on the very outer corner and kind of attaching it up to the outer corner above. And building it up as we go. Okay, and then from there I'm going to add the Celestial color, this purple color, right into the center underneath my eyes. I look crazy right now just with the dark color underneath, but don't worry, we'll be blending it out. So putting this Celestial color right in the center, and then from there taking my tiny inner corner brush and picking up Wild Child again and just adding that to the very insides of my lower lash line here. And then I'm going to take the Love color, the very first color we used, with the Still Spa Essentials brush, picking up a very little bit, and then I'm going to blow that all out underneath. And then for the very inner corner highlight, I'm going to be using this color right here, and this is called Dreamer. So I'm going to quickly curl my lashes and then apply some mascara. And the mascara I'm using on my upper lashes is the Bad Gal Bang mascara from Benefit. And then on my lower lashes, I'm going to be using the Balm Scuba Waterproof Mascara. Before I go ahead and apply lashes to this look, I do want to do some highlighting on my brow bone, and I'm going to again use the Dreamer color in the Norvina palette, just on this brush here from Mikasa Beauty. This is their E220 brush. Just picking it up on the very tip of the brush, tapping it off, and going right in underneath the brow. The lashes I'm using are from Dodo Lashes. These are the D119 style lashes. And I'm going to be applying those using my Tarte Tarteist lash applicator and my Duo lash adhesive. This is the brush-on kind, which I prefer to the squeeze bottle style. Let's just clean these babies. Now, because these eyelashes do have a thicker lash band, it does look a bit incomplete in my inner corner, so I am going to take my fly liner from Fenty Beauty. This is their liquid liner, and I'm just going to add a tiny line of liquid liner from my inner corner to match up to the lash line. And then lastly, of course, is lips. Now I wanted to stick with the pink theme, so I'm going in with this tiny little lipstick that I have. This is from Bite Beauty, and this is one of their Amuse Bouche lipsticks in the color Sugarcane. It's a really nice pinky toned nude lipstick.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink.
And then lastly, to finish off the look, I'm going to put on some gloss. This is from Morphe, and this is their lip gloss in the color Boho.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. Throw back till I can't count.
And there you go, guys. This is my finished makeup tutorial using the brand new Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette. I am in love, as I know a lot of you guys already are. It is so gorgeous and it has so many beautiful colors, and I love how buttery and creamy the shimmer shadows are in here. So yeah, I am super happy with this palette. I'm super happy with how this tutorial and makeup look turned out. I really hope that you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already by clicking my little red subscribe button on my YouTube homepage, as well as the bell notification button right beside it, so you get notified every time I put up a new video, which is weekly on Wednesdays. But that is it for me, guys. Thank you so much once again for clicking on today's video, and I will see you in next week's video. Bye, guys.